Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello bakers! In this video I will show how to make zucchini muffins. First, let's get our wet ingredients ready. In a large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk until well blended. Next, incorporate 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give it another good whisk to ensure everything is perfectly combined, creating a smooth and flavorful foundation for our delicious muffins. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, combine 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Then, gently add the dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing only until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so be careful not to overdo it. The star of our show, the zucchini, comes next. Gently fold in 1 1/2 cups of grated zucchini. Remember to squeeze out any excess moisture from the zucchini before adding it to prevent soggy muffins. Now, line a 12-cup muffin tin and fill each liner about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. Bake these beauties in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Once your muffins are baked to perfection, remove them from the oven. Let them cool in the muffin pan for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to remove. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer the muffins to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents them from becoming soggy on the bottom. Now, they are ready to be enjoyed. These homemade zucchini muffins are wonderfully moist and packed with flavor, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.